Hello, Mr. Gonzalez. Ricardo here at Certified Benz and Beamer. As promised, here's the video walk around on the 2015 911. The vehicle, as you can see, is sitting in my showroom, which means we're actually very proud of this unit. Definitely has a lot of eyeball. Vehicle is in exceptional condition. You can see the bumper here. No road rash, nothing crazy. There you go. Give you a left, right view here. 911 Carrera S. This color looks just gorgeous with the rims. You got the red calipers right there. All right, and you got your moonroof here. Look at this interior. Got some follow through on the red accents all around to your instrument cluster. I'm gonna give you a view here from the back bumper. The driver's side. There's no real scratches or people coming in and out of the vehicle. All around, this car is just gorgeous. If you want me to shoot any more angles, I'll be more than happy to do so. Please feel free to call me. My number is 480-431-4553. Ricardo at Certified Benz and Beamer. Thank you.